Hello dear SSC aspirants. So in this video, I'm going to discuss a problem based on a basic identity from algebra. Okay. Everybody know this identity, that is a formula. The formula is a plus b the whole square formula. So a plus b the whole square formula, based on that we can solve some of the problems in SSC exams. So we know what is a plus b the whole square formula. So it is what? A plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula we know. And using this formula, we can solve the problems in the exam. So I have taken one of the PYQ in the SSC exam. Let's solve this problem. So they have given what? A plus b is 11. A into b is what? 15. They are asking what is a square plus b square. Okay, it's very simple. You write that it is in terms of b, or they'll give in terms of x, y. Okay, so or in terms of p, q, whatever they give, you take those letters and try to answer it. So we know this formula, that is a plus b the whole square, that is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What and all they are given? A plus b is 11. So a plus b is 11. That means 11 square. That is equal to a square plus 2. They are given what is ab. Ab is what? 15 plus b square. What they asked? A square plus b square only they asked. So it's going to be what? A square plus b square alone I keep on this side. 11 square is going to be 121. 121, and you bring this 2 into 15, it's going to be what? 30. That I bring it to the left hand side, it's going to be 30. If you remove 30 from here, it's going to be what? 91. That is equal to a square plus b square. So a square plus b square is 91. Okay. So a square plus b square is 91. In the option they have given, option D is 91. It's very simple. Just apply the formula, you'll be getting the answer. Let's see one more problem in this. Now here in this question, they have used the alphabet x and y. Okay. They have given xy is 16, x square plus y square is given, it is 32. They are asking what is x plus y. Okay. And look at that the answer, they have given plus or minus. That means we are going to take square root of some number. Okay. So again, you write the formula in terms of x plus y. You can write as what? X plus y the whole square, that is equal to, you can write as x square plus y square, then what? Plus 2xy. This is the formula. Now, what and all they are given? X plus y, they didn't give, they are asking what is that? Okay, the x plus y only they are asking, not x plus y the whole square. The question is x plus y. Okay, so we don't know, we'll keep as it is. We know what is x square plus y square. What is x square plus y square? They have given us 32 plus 2 into what is xy they have given? It's going to be what? 16. That means your x plus y the whole square, that is equal to, which is 32 plus what? This is 32. 2 into 16 is going to be 32. So your x plus y the whole square, that is equal to 64. So x plus y is going to be plus or minus root of 64. That means plus or minus 8. So your x plus y, square root of 64 is 8. So plus or minus 8. So x plus y is plus or minus 8. Option D is the answer for this question. Okay. The simple, the identity based question, the basic identity. Most of you all are familiar with this identity. Using this, we can solve the questions in the easy way. Okay. So I have solved two questions. I'm going to give one question for you to work. Try to answer this question. If you like, we can put your answer as a comment. Thank you.